pan-roasted Chilean sea bass, cumin-scented quinoa, Ancho Chipotle emulsion, and big boy Brussels sprouts. I've got interesting news, and I've got good news. Let's start with the interesting news. Years ago, when it was decided that what we know as Chilean sea bass was going to be marketed outside of South America, they looked at the name, they listened to the name, and they thought, Patagonian toothfish? We don't think anyone's gonna buy that. And they were right. Would you have bought Patagonian toothfish? Probably not. So they renamed the Patagonian toothfish, which is what this actually is, to Chilean sea bass. And now the good news. Even though Chilean sea bass isn't a member of the bass family at all, it is a member of the delicious family. So we're still gonna make it. It should be fairly obvious why I'm calling these big boy Brussels. I feel like they just have some sort of growth hormone in them and they're enormous. The outer layers have a tendency to be a little tough and we want tender Brussels sprouts. So what I like to do when I get these big boy sprouts is peel them. So just peel off those outer layers and just throw them onto the counter like I'm doing. Just haphazardly. Peel. Peel, peel. Take out all of your anger on these Brussels sprouts. Now, the quinoa. One time I was dating this guy, and I had him over for dinner, and I knew he was the wrong guy for me. Like, he just smelled of the wrong guy when I met him at the bar, and he followed me out to the parking lot. But he was so hot. And he called the quinoa that I made for him rice. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. We broke up a week later. Add some chicken broth into that quinoa. And now, the reason why it's called cumin-scented quinoa. By the way, I just totally made that up. It's got cumin in it, so it's cumin-scented quinoa. You can do that too, you know. Add in a whole ton of cumin, a dash of allspice, smoked paprika, a pinch of cayenne, a dash of nutmeg, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder. I couldn't remember what we had left. There's so much stuff in here. But it's so delicious. Salt and pepper. Look at this piece of Patagonian sea bass. This is so ridiculously easy, you will not believe the amount of respect people look at you with when you make this for them. Like, they'll look at you like you're a respectable, normal, functioning human being. Just from fish. This one's really healthy, so we don't want too much oil, just enough so that fish won't stick. And then any excess I'm gonna wipe out. Fish down. That sound gets me every single time. This is what's gonna make that nice crust on top of the fish. You don't want it super crispy, just to give it some texture. Now it's time to flip. Oh my goodness. Do you see that golden color on the fish? That's what you're looking for, that nice golden color. Now into the oven for 11 minutes. Oh yes, it's perfect. Oh. I'm gonna try and get everything into one bite. That smoky Ancho Chipotle emulsion, the buttery Chilean sea bass, the cumin-scented quinoa, and the big boy Brussels sprouts. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. Okay. A little bit of sauce, a little bit of quinoa, a bite of this fish. Oh my goodness, the fish. Oh my goodness. Can I do it?
So quickly.
Those flavors all together are like a toothfish symphony. Oh my goodness, the fish is so buttery. Oh, you gotta make this one.